morning. Breakfast tayo dito sa labas. Pakita ko sa inyo yung setup.
But it's not inspired. Maybe because
We have spam, sinangag, egg, coffee, and milk. Ang cute ng baso namin ni Chloe na. Nirecycle namin yung lalagyan ng pasta sauce. Where are you gonna sit, Chloe?
oh, right here.
Tingnan niyo yung baso. Ang cute, no? Nirecycle namin yung pasta sauce. Hindi sa namin sa Chloe's baso. Wala lang. Ang cute kasi parang vintage. Ayaw. Oh, so yummy. Eh kasi naman dati, hindi naman ako nakakapunta sa mga invitation nila. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Nakalimutan ko mag-video dun siya sa store kasi medyo busy ngayon dahil 4th of July bukas. So, ang dami nag-grocery na mimili and all. Kaya hindi nakalimutan ko mag-vlog. But, namili kami ng onti lang for 3 days kasi babalik na naman kami sa LA. And I bought sa Mais Conielo. So, yan. Grocery lang siya for a few days. Usually kasi binibili namin grocery for 1 week or 10 days, ganyan. Pero ngayon for 3 days lang since magta-travel nga ulit tayo. Alam nyo yung nasa pilik mata ko na yan. Glue yan sa eyelashes ko na hindi ko siya matanggal-tanggal. Oh my God, ang hirap pala mag-lashes talaga na
Here's the style of the cow.
DIY.
Now here's
Anyway, try na natin yung Mais Conielo.
right.
Bumili rin ako dun sa Kabayan Bake Shop ng mini butter rolls na ube yung nasa loob. Ooh, it looks so good. It's giving bakery sa Pinas. Sarap. And then, tignan naman natin yung binili kong Mais Conielo sa Goldilocks. Hindi ito first time na bumili ako doon ng Mais Conielo. Every summer talaga bumibili ako doon ng either halo-halo, Mais Conielo, or yung buko panda nila. Pero the best is Mais Conielo. So, tignan nyo naman, ganyan karami yung mais. Super sarap. Pero dapat lang dahil $10 to isang cup, no? And then may ice cream siya na cheese. And then may leche flan siya na malaki. Ayan. So, dalawang ganito yung binili natin. Tag-isa kami ng husband ko. Ooh. Look at this, guys. It looks good. I'll go eat na. You think Daddy's gonna like it?
No.
Mm.
I think Chloe's gonna eat mine.
Mm. Ang sarap.
Chloe, are you gonna eat mine?
It's giving
Where's
summer.
yours?
It's giving summer sa Pinas.
Yeah.
Sa inyo dati, B, may mga nagtitinda ng ganito sa tindahan.
Ako.
Ha?
Ako.
Mais Conielo, nagtitinda ka?
Kami lang. Halo-halo. Kapit bahay. Mura lang yun. Hindi mo ka pagtawid araw-araw.
Gulaman yung sahog.
Parang pangsawid. Yes. Hindi mo mabenta ng mahal. Kilo lang yung mura. So,
Or kamote. Siguro may kamote yung inyo.
ano namin ni mama? Kamote Q palagi. Mura lang yun.
Mm.
Kamote tapos sugar. Mantika.
Oh.
Where your plan is?
What do you mean, girl?
Now why everybody's grown up here? Mama. Mom, why everybody?
Hi, good morning, guys.
There,
So today is 4th of July. Tan. Nandito kami sa downtown San Diego. Tingnan lang namin kung ano yung ganap dito.
Wala pa masyadong tao pero mamaya sobra ditong daming tao.
Dito daw yung pinakamalaking fireworks dito ata sa Ewan ko kung saan. Saan ba dito yun?
The whole
Hindi
thing.
pa tayo nakapanood dito eh.
The whole thing.
The whole thing. Sobrang daming tao dito. What do you say, Chloe?
Ayan, may mga balloons dun sa likod.
Miss America.
Mga balloons na 4th of July yung design.
I was like, happy birthday, Miss America.
Oh, you hold this one and then I'm gonna take a video. Ooh!
Sing happy birthday to America.
Happy birthday, America.
How old is America?
20.
250.
Yeah.
That's an old na.
Bukas yung seaport fish market. We're here. Ay, anong tawag dyan? Dito na lang. Yan, sana maganda i-try kumain dyan. Kasi tingnan mo yung view. So, ganda. So, stop. You're interrupting us.
We're already set up for the
Ay, oo nga.
dami na nila.
Oh my God.
We're gonna stay there until 9:30.
Ayan na.
Grabe.
Nakaset up na yung mga tent nila for the fireworks. Ay, hindi kita. Ayan. Ooh. Hanggang mamayang gabi na yan, no? Hanggang 12 na siguro. So, pwede ba mag-overnight dito?
Hindi. Hanggang ano yun, fireworks na matapos.
Hmm.
Look at that. Look at that in the pool.
Nabash pa nga, di ba? Chloe! 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 Ang relaxing tignan. Ang ganda ng view dito. B, pag may bahay ka na malaki, ang ganda, may ganyan ano. Pond. Ano matawag dyan? Grotto?
What?
Chloe, there's one behind you. Chloe, look at them. Oh, so cute. Yes. Oh, you play with it. Right there. Hey, no, look at them. What a name. Taba Alicious. Okay. Slime? Is this a slime? Oh, it's a slime. More slimes. Books. Baby stuffs. Ang ganda ng toy shop. Kaya lang medyo mahal. Ba't ang puti ko? Ayan, ang ganda ng toy shop. Kaya lang medyo mahal yung tinda. Oh, ang cute, Chloe!
Galit yung natin. Tingin sa'yo, Chloe. Don't touch my baby, she said.
So cute. Oh my gosh, ang cute lahat. Strawberry. He's so cute. Follow your heart. So cute. So cute. Ooh. Chloe, show me your balloon. Ooh. Let's see.
Go that way.
Mommy, look. They come home now.
You had the same idea. Like, so you ended up like not going for your food.
We do not take it.
Wait for the fire. Yeah, that's all. I'll just walk back. Okay. Hi, how are you?
Shrimp. Ikot. Boba. Ano? May gusto ka? Oh, masarap.
Spider-Man new brand.
Ayan, brand new. Spider-Man brand new day. Oo nga, ang generous nila ngayon eh. Oh, let's eat
They give
na.
us 2 cookies.
Pizza.
Oh my god.
Lunchtime na, let's eat.
Pizza.
There's one that you eat today.
What?
The Spider-Man.
No, the pineapple.
Yeah. We got the Spider-Man one, right?
Ako din actually,
You don't like.
basic lang kasi tayo, kaya ito rin yung favorite
I,
kong pizza.
I don't like the other ones. I don't like pepperoni.
Ma. Yeah, me too. I don't like pepperoni.
Too salty.
We are heading outside again, guys. So, I think, nahapon na. 4 p.m. na. And then, yung fireworks is 9 or 9:40 p.m. Titingnan natin kung makakahanap tayo ng spot sa labas para makanood ng fireworks. If hindi naman, uuwi na lang din kami kasi for sure maraming nagka-camp sa labas. Kagaya nung pinilm natin kanina, yung nag-vlog ako sa labas kanina, ang dami nang naka-tent, diba? Nakapwesto na sila. So, tingnan natin kung may mahanap tayong spot. Camper van. Grabe, lahat sa kalabas yung ganyan nila ngayon. Oh my Ito may papakita ko sa inyo. Nakaiba kong pag-park.
Manlak na ng pulis.
Hey. Nasa ano na sila doon sa loob ng ano. Ay, oh my God. Nasa ganyan na sila sa loob ng ganyan. Nasa ganyan na nag-park. Beautiful girl.
Yes, a beautiful girl.
Ooh, so beautiful.
Who is the beautiful?
Ang ganda na. So, nag-park na lang kami dito. Paid parking dito sa may basement. Nagbayad lang kami ng $30. Pero hanggang 1 a.m. na yan. And I think worth it yun. And yeah, we're gonna go there sa seaport. Nandito na kami, nakahanap kami ng spot. Diyan lang sa building kung saan kami nag-park.
But we paid $30, no?
Nagbayad ng $30 for parking. And then, ito yung spot na nahanap namin. Hindi ako sure kung makikita dito yung fireworks, pero sana kita.
Some people are here, so I'm for sure.
Yeah. And
I want to eat pizza with pineapple flowers.
looks like here. Pero bibili kaming food mamaya after nito. Kasi baka magsara na din yung mga store. Food is life pa naman. B.
And yeah. Daddy,
Chloe.
with a jump.
It's the best day ever.
Yes.
It's like picnic.
5 minutes pa lang since dumating kami.
Ding dong.
Naubos na yung dala-dala niya. Yung pizza niya, yung ding-dong niya, yung coke niya. Naubos na niya lahat.
Mommy, I feel sad.
Just that.
I don't know, hindi ko nakita.
Damn, sino nagbayad?
Ikaw. We got fish and chips at saka lobster roll sa'yo. Wala nga takip eh. And show me your toy. What did you get? Oh. Oo, yung sa'yo, no? Kasi sa amin, fish and chips lang naman eh. Just get a tiny bit lang. It's not hot.
Somebody.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah.
Try natin.
Leo,
Oh.
lagi ka ba nila?
Hindi.
So pa Chloe, you want some? Try niyo ba lang some?
It's good.
I love eating food.
She's a food monster.
You like it, na?
It's fish.
It's just fish naman, so it's healthy.
It's really cool.
How about you?
I'm full. You
The-
gave me
2 slices of pizza, bread, and then lobster roll.
lobster roll.
And then
sandwich.
ding dong.
Yeah.
Pagbalik mo, hindi na kashin.
Nag-bench eating ako.
How about you?
I had to lay down for a while.
Okay. Time check, guys. It's 8 p.m. na. 8 p.m. na. So, isang oras na lang may fireworks na. Ang lamig dito to, super daming tao. As in. Ayan. Super daming
Midnight
tao.
don't go far. Because it's getting dark now.
Kahit sa likod ko, ang daming tao. Ay, ang ganda pala ng view. Ang daming tao. So, hintayin lang natin mag-fireworks and then uwi na rin kami after. First time lang namin makakapanood ng 4th of July ng fireworks. So, nakaka-excite.
Update lang guys, it's 8:45 p.m. So this is San Diego sa may Midway. See you. All the people. May tao guys, nakaupo.
How we're playing eh.
I'm gonna slam you.
Ouch! That hurts. Ang alam. Hotdog? Hotdog? Oo nga eh.
$10 lang isa yun.
Yan.
Daddy. Hey, Dad. We're gonna slam.
Ang ganda na. Malapit na mag-fireworks. Ang ganda
Where's the
na.
station?
I know it. My street America.
You're Spoopy America.
Daddy, Daddy, I think you're a poopy America.
The color of America.
Boo!
Wait. color here? What's your favorite color here? What's
Nakita.
Green one. American color.
South America. Mustard America.
What?
I'm trying to make you excited.
Daming tao. Hey.
That's a... Doon pala tayo dapat sa pwesto natin. There it is! Look at that. It's too far.
Tapos na yung fireworks. Nagmamadali na lahat ng tao umuwi. Naglalakad na rin kami. Buti na lang dito lang kami nag-park sa building. Tawid lang nung kung saan kami nanood ng fireworks. Yan. This is where we park. Dito sa nice area. So doon kami nanood. Nasa parking na kami. Let's see kung anong oras tayo makaka-uwi.
Huge parking by the way.
Oo.
First time natin nakano dito.
Na may EV charger pa.
Massive parking.
Super ganda. Parang worth it naman to for $30, no? Kasi yung parking sa LA, mahal din. Tapos, baliktaran kayo.
Na pagka may EV car, daming slot.
Ang daming charger for EV. Ang ganda ng parking.
Mommy, I wanna sleep.
Sobrang liwanag, hindi siya nakakatakot. Okay, let's go home. Date?
Some people.
So, 9:53 na. Tingnan natin what time tayo makaka-uwi. With the
There
traffic.
are millions of people going out at the same time.
You had fun, Chloe?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it, the show?
My favorite part is the pink one.
What pink one? The pink fireworks?
Yeah.
Ako, I like the, yung parang, falling stars ba yun? Yung mga bumabagsak. I like it.
No, what's your favorite color there?
Yellow.
My favorite is pink.
Ikaw, what's your favorite?
Pink. The pink one.
Me. The food. The food.
Buddy, what's your favorite color in that firework?
Ay, ang ganda, oh.
Buddy, what's your favorite color in your firework?
Anyway, feeling ko makakalabas naman tayo agad. Kasi nauna na tayo makaalis. Dami naglalakad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, walang signal. Kanina pa yan.
Ang dami kasi tao sa ibang location. Everybody's feeling the same.
Grabe, ang daming tao. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung mga tao ito. Then there's more here.
It's like the party outside going on. Can you play the music, Dad? Why did I want to do?
No, they're the same. Like doctors, some doctors taking care of you there. Just for free.
Ooh, detox muna tayo guys. Sa pizza, burger, healthy foods. So yummy. Shake it naman.
Shake it, make it, ate it, shake it, make it,
Then eat vegetables
ate
ah.
it. What happens if we mix it, Mom?
That's not gonna taste good.
It's gonna taste what?
It's gonna taste weird. Sarap.